Jai Shri Krishna, all of you. Tell me one thing. Recently, 2025 has been started, and many of the company has launched their 5 year plans, their future goals, and so many things. Then I ask one question. Yeah, maybe you think about that. Why the company needs to launch a 5 year plans, 2 year plans? Why the government, it's maybe central or state, when he come into the force, that time definitely he launch their 5 year plans. What is the goal of the their tenure and so much thing. Not only India but also in the foreign countries they use their 5 year plans. Every company, successful company, every entrepreneur, every government has used 5 year plans. And you know that in 1951 the 5 year plan started and 2012 its end. It's mean you know that how much important 5 year plan. That definitely why the many success, why only many successful peoples are make their 5 year plans. Why the common man cannot make their plans? We have ambition, we want to grow in your life, but we don't have to blueprint. Why? Recently, I watched a video of IES. That time he says that okay, when he entered in the competition exam, that time he make her own blueprint okay, how her preparation goes. He will classify all the topics and all the months. Okay, this month I will do this topic and this, and so on. He will complete by month, and after that he will got selected. Then the question arises in my mind, okay, what's the mean of the blueprints and why we need blueprint? What we cannot grow, yeah, we cannot become successful without blueprint. 99% case you cannot succeed if you don't have a blueprint, because every bigger company, yeah, small company make their blueprint. Every hotels, restaurant, and so many things will, these all make their blueprint because they wants to grow. And if you want to grow in your life, definitely you want to make your own blueprint. Then the question arises that okay, we don't know how to make our blueprint. And I shot that okay, definitely nearby you no one knows how to make a blueprint, because 99% people are don't know, and only 1% people are knows that how to make their own blueprints. And so that you will face the problems right now because you don't have a vision yet. It's just like this, you want to make your dream house and you decided I want my a dream house, and you go to a builder and says that I want my dream house, make it. And what the builder says you, firstly you will give the which type of your home desire, which how it's look, you give the basic information that you will make the home, your house. Same goes with our life. First, you don't go to builder, you go to architect, and that time he will, that person make your dream house in the papers, and that time he will knows that oh look it looks this like, and after that you will go to builder and builder makes your dream house. Means you have to first a blueprint how your house is look like. Just like I asked one question, then what you have a blueprint about your future? What you have blueprint of your life? No. Why? Because you don't know how to make our own blueprint. And if you click on the video, then definitely you are so much lucky, and I will assure that in the end of the video you will get a better perspective, and I sure that you will be capable to make your own blueprint. I will give you the step by step guides so that you will make your own blueprint. And end of the video I will provide a two PDF. First is a 5 year plans and second is a 2025. Both is useful for you. You will print out. First we break down the what's the mean of start with the end. Because if you want know about what is the blueprint is, then definitely this question is a base. Without this knowing this answer, you cannot build a house and any type of building. It is a ground floor, you can say it is simple. You know first what's the mean of start with the end. When any successful person, yeah, any one person who wanted to grow in their life, then definitely first he knows that what he wants. How you look yourself in 5 year down the line, 10 year down the line, it depends on you. It's mean you start right now what you want, but you have a better perspective and a better vision. You look yourself when you turn 30 how it looks. It's mean whatever your plan is right now depend, it's completely based on your future plans. What's mean by that? We are confused about that. I will clarify. Just suppose that you want to be financially free. Just example. That definitely you cannot become. You are not become financially free right now. It's your goal. Let's suppose I want to become financially free in 2030. That is your 2030 goal. That is your end point. And now you in 2025, and that time you have a 5 year. In that 5 year, what you do, these are matters, and that is a path, that is your destiny, where you want to go. Without destiny we will be confused what to do, what to don't know. But when we know that, okay, yes, I have to go this way, this is my goal, that time definitely we have a clear vision, so that we will work on that direction. Now you know that, okay, we start with the end and we go the reverse case. Just like make your 2030 the end 2029, 2028, 2027, 2026 and 2025. These type of reverse you make that, okay, इस साल मैं ये करूंगा, इस साल ये करूंगा, इस साल ये करूंगा, इस साल ये करूंगा. These give you the basic framework that this your life goes in that direction. And now maybe your question is mind that how we predict that what we'll do in the these days, this year. That time I said that you don't have the clear vision, you just have a rough idea. Okay, yes, I have a dream that in that year I will achieve this, in that year I achieve this, and you give it the milestone. Okay, I will achieve 2025. Just like suppose you never be study any books, that time your goal is that if I want to become a financially free, that time definitely in 2025 I read 5 books, no matter what will happen about the finance. It's mean that you take a step and you are growing your own direction to become financially free. If you want, you become you become a physically fit in 2022. That time you think that, okay, if I want physically strong, then definitely I will go to exercise. You start a 10 minute everyday exercise, and so on. You will increase this. These are the point. You have imagined that this is my end goal, and right now I am working in that direction. It defines a path you will follow, and you will get the right perspective. It's the mean of the videos that if you want anything in your life, then definitely first go with the end, and after start with the end and come at the current situation. And now that is the bigger step. Second, start. Now you take the little step, break down all the bigger your life achievement, you what you want in your life, then it's divided into a small segment, and start take a small segment. Maybe not say if it's worth it, but after it goes compounding, and it's make a very big change in your life. Just like that, I want 1 CR in 2030. That what can I do? First, I have a clear vision that I want 1 CR. Now the bigger question arises what to do, and now I know that I don't have too much knowledge about how I can make my 1 CR. First, that definitely I goes with the books, I take the podcast and so much things that will help me to enhance my self improvement, and I build my self consciousness about the finance, and I will grow. When I grow more, that time I realize that yes, is it worth it? At end of the day, I will learn all the things. So third step, you make your visual board. What's the visual board? You can check on YouTube. You will get the better all knowledge about what is the visual board, how it's look, and so much things. That is the visual board. Yeah, I can say the vision board. It's maybe up to you. And in that you will classify that, okay, this is my all things I want in my life. It's maybe your car, your house, dream house, your bigger company startup, you financially free, you go to world tour, and so many things you can add it in the picture form, so that you will visualize all the day, and you have a mind that in that direction I have to work. You don't be distracted, because now you have a vision. Okay, yes, I goes with this direction. Now you make your blueprint according to 2030. Take a reference and make right now these of the blueprint. And I also provide 2 PDF in the description. You can check and download and print out and fill it with your what's your dreams and what's your goals are you want to achieve it. And in the conclusion of the video, I will say that if I conclude my all over the talk, then definitely it's come into a one line that makes your what is your current situation and how you can take a step right now. It depends, and it's make a great difference how you becomes in 2020 30 and 2032. It depends because now you take the decision. It's completely based your future direction. It's just like a company's vision, how the companies think about itself, how the entrepreneur think about her company, and so many things. So now I think that you will get a better perspective, and you know that how to make our own blueprint. And if you are more interested in the one question that why the lion is a king of forest, then definitely you can check out this video and you will be safe for the later. मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए जय हिंद.